Okay, so we're gonna focus and just go directly down this street right here, and we'll kind of show you a little bit. This is kind of a busy time right now because people are getting out of work. So and we're gonna follow down that way right there. Okay. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's follow the street down. There's a Richard Lab bank. This is a commercial building. They got pharmaceutical, JVC, things like that up there. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way down this way, and we're gonna label the street with the street of that's up there a little bit. You'll see it in a second. There it is. Alameda Dr Carlos D'Assumpc. So that's gonna be our focus right there. So that's the one that we're coming down right now, and then we're gonna go all the way down there. There's a casino, Wind Casino, and then this is called Rua de Cidade de Coimbra. So there's a bunch of, it says Cidade is city, and then all these people here, they're waiting in line for that bus down that way. So I believe that bus goes to the, let's see where it goes to. I think it goes to the border. So I think all these lines, they go all the way down to the border, so they're catching that bus right there, and then you got this big long line all the way down. And you have more buses over here as well, but these go into other locations. Here's a sauna, Familia Nobre, HM. So this one's another bus stop. It's about 6:30, I think, so it's a lot of people who are getting out of work now, as you can see. We're gonna keep on walking all the way down. Those are the buses right there, so everybody's getting in these buses. There's more buses coming as well. So they kind of line up in this space right here. Okay. MD Cafe, Rumfly. So we're gonna keep on going down. And I think what we'll do, since this street is kind of a giant boulevard, and we have a park in the middle, and I think what I'm going to do is walk across the crosswalk up above a little bit. It's Rua Francisco H. Fernandez. Okay, so we're going to take this to that crosswalk and then walk across. Got a policeman right there, so we're going to take that crosswalk and go directly down that way. Then you can there's a ramp that goes up, so that ramp has to go across the street to the other side, which is Zape over on that side. So that's our focus. So that was the street that we're on, and then this street right here is one side. It all comes this way, and then we're going to go over the other side, and it goes the other way. And then there's a park in the middle, so we're gonna probably highlight that briefly. Looks like we're gonna be able to go right now. Okay, so there we go. So now we can head on out. That's our park right there. So this park is between this street, which is the same street, that one and that one. So one is evens and the other is odds. Okay, so you even have these kind of Macau paintings and murals and stuff like that. So this is the same name, right? Same name as the road. It's closed, but not closed. It's closed because of COVID, so you have to go in one certain way. So before you could just go right in here this way, but now there's COVID restrictions. But that's all right there. One giant park, lots of trees in the middle, and trees all around. And kiosks too. So we are going to try to cross this street. Then this is kind of the same road. So this all goes that way and the other one goes that way. So we're gonna see if we can get across now. So I don't know how easy it's gonna be to get across. Basically we just have to jump across and go. So let's just kind of jump across now. And we will try to sneak through. There, we got it. Now we're gonna go down this way. And yeah, you can see basically the pedestrian, sometimes there's policemen when it's busy like this, but if there's not, then the pedestrian has the right of way. I think they usually come around and they want to give a little bit of structure, because otherwise the pedestrian has the right of way and we can just go across anytime, like what I just did, and then they're required to stop as well when that happens. Looks like they're trying to catch a taxi there. Okay, that's Sands Casino all the way down. Then we are going to try to go all the way down this way. So these streets are named after European, like Rua de Brussels. There. Then we're gonna end shortly, so let's walk down a little bit further. Show you one more bus stop, and then you can also see Guanyin. So we're gonna go all the way down to the end, and then we'll end this one. But you kind of get to see the park has the same name. There's two sides to this road, so we you just see big long line here. Let's see if we can get across here somewhere. So we'll just go down like this. So yeah, we got a really long line. So all these people, they're all in line for those buses right there. And then we're gonna end this one in a minute. So this is called Rua de Roma. So that was street of Brussels. This is Rome. There's another one called Londres, London. And we could just keep going all the way down, but we're gonna end it here. And at the end, you can see a Guanyin statue right there. So this is our main street right here. And that's part of our street as well. And then we're gonna end it right there.
Toma cuidado la voz